Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll show you where to find the fuse for the brake light on BMW guys E46. This one will be the generation guys, 3 Series generation 1998 all the way to year 2006. So if you guys need to find the fuse for the brake light, stay with us guys, we'll show you where to find that. We'll have guys more than 200 videos on this car. Our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. Please guys, in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video and drop a comment below. So let's start on it now. So you need to guys go to the passenger side of the vehicle. Okay, you will need to go ahead, open your glove box. That's where the fuse box will be located. Okay, right here. Now you can see you have two white things. You need to open those like that. Drop it down. Now you can see on top row here we have numbers for the fuses. On the top row, the bottom row guys, okay, we have the fuses here. Now let's put the key in, okay, and we're going to show you what happens with the brake light. Okay, we put the key in, let's hold the brake, okay, turn the ignition on. Okay, and now the brake light guys is on. Let's depress the pedal, okay, no brake, the brake light is still on. That's a safety feature guys. If the fuse is bad, your brake light will be on all the time. Let's turn the ignition off, okay. Remove the key, we don't need it anymore. And what we'll be looking for now is fuse number 9 guys. Okay, fuse number 9. So you can see right here, okay, it will be this fuse right there. So we'll get the fuse puller now out of here. Just squish on top and pull it out. Grab your fuse number 9, pull it out, and we will replace it with a new one. All the fuses guys that we get, that replacement box guys with assorted fuses, it's listed in the description of the video below with the right fuses for your car, so please check it out. It's a really good price. I'm going to go ahead, push that one in. Okay, let me make sure it went all the way in. Okay, perfect, it is in. So what we're going to do, okay, you can see actually I even have one that is exactly the same color, because this one is a little bit off color. Okay, it's still a good fuse, but I have one from the new box. Let me use this one that is exactly the same color. Perfect. Okay, I like this one there. And now I'm going to install the fuse puller and stay with us to see if that, okay, if that brake light now will function like it's supposed to. Okay, let's put the key in. Okay, let's hold the brake pedal down. Brake, let's release the brake pedal. No brake, so you can see that definitely fixed the problem guys. So, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Please hit that. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.